I'm here at 2087 Fairview, and we are in the heart of Cleveland's Little Italy neighborhood. Let's head inside. So we got double-decker porch, which is great. I should point out before we head up, we got new sidewalks, new retaining wall, new driveway. When I say new on this house, everything's gonna be 2023. This is composite flooring, porch flooring, which is awesome. That will not rot. Porch is nice and strong. Got some nice railings. You can see a lot of the masonry's been redone. Things have been preserved. What could be preserved and what's new is top notch. Let's head in. So you can see we got deep window sills on the windows, which is just a great feel. Pella windows, got open floor plan, kitchen, high quality cabinets, granite counters, room for 3, even 4 stools. Lots of light in this space. And we have a pantry. Pendant lighting. Eating area. This is set up for 4, but you could get a longer table in here if you wanted to. Lots of leftover room, lots of space. Exposed brick. Tall ceilings. Look about 9 plus. Got like a stone type tile flooring here. And then we've got a half bath. Custom sink. And we've got first floor laundry. I just love these windows. Such a great contemporary space, but yet gives that classic feel. So that's our back door, and we'll be heading back down that way, but here's your coat closet. And we got a nice wide stairwell going up. Again, light filled. It's great. We'll go back out there, but you got a yard back there, which is awesome. It's wooded. You got green space, yard, garage. So we're heading into the master suite. This space here could be shared or blocked off just for the master suite itself, but we got a big closet. Beautiful tile work, just gorgeous. Double vanity, contemporary mirrors, again, filled with light, and look at this awesome shower. And the bedroom here, again, it's exposed brick chimney. Can lighting everywhere, so very clean look. And this is awesome here. So you walk out onto the upstairs porch. Again, composite flooring, but you've got a bird's eye view of the neighborhood. And you can see a lot of interesting structures in this neighborhood. I mean, the architecture here is all over the place. You got some things that look commercial, some that look residential. You got apartment buildings, contemporary, everything you can think of, you've got in this neighborhood, which is cool. And then Mayfield Road is right down that way, very close, and bakeries, gelato, restaurants, you name it. And then Murray Hill's right there. Again, restaurants, takeout places, bars. So lots going on in this neighborhood. Very walkable. That's why people love it here. And if you happen to work at one of the area hospitals, you could also walk to work here too. University Hospitals is right there. So we'll go into the second bedroom. Again, just real contemporary, but it's got that classic look. And this bathroom is just beautiful. Again, it's got the smaller tile, which I love the small tile. I like the big too, but it looks really good. And look at that tub. And we got a nice big closet here too. Let's run down to the basement. So it's insulated, all new wiring, all new mechanicals, new plumbing, new furnace. You know, it's an old basement, but you know, it's nice. It feels good down here. Furnace, new plumbing. It's all new ductwork. And we go out back again, all new concrete. Got automatic door opener. So this is a good size 1.5 car garage. It's block, so all masonry. Got a turnaround here or an extra parking space, whatever you want to do with, or 2 spaces. So there's lots of space here. Got this neat stone wall. So you can't beat the location. And this is a very impressive rehab with 15-year tax abatement. So you will only pay taxes on the pre-rehab value of the home, which is a huge savings for anyone. And it's something that somebody should take advantage of. Thanks.